We're going to go ahead and you start over here on the plus side, and you're going to go ahead, you're going to put in a table. Okay? Now, notice that when we have tables, put our phones up, per our assignment, the titles are all Y versus X, aren't they? This is not Y versus X. Most of the times when they do tables, they do X and Y. Okay? So we're going to do the first one together. Okay? So the first one on the X-axis, we want, what do we want on the X-axis? Bueller. Second, let me in. What do we want on the X-axis? What variable goes on the X-axis? Those of you who have the left. It told you what to graph. So our length is what goes on our X-axis, and our resistance goes on our Y. Okay. Whoops, that's resistance. So we're graphing resistance versus length. All right, somebody who has the data, would you mind sharing the data with me? The resistances. 1 second, 0.07. Next up. Say that again. 0.2. 0.3. So once you get all of your data in, you can see what's going on over here. We see that we have these lines right here that are starting. You can kind of see it happening, but it's not there yet. So what do we do next? Next, we figure out the scaling issues. And it's pretty simple for this. You just go into there. I don't need the left-hand side of the screen, so I'm going to take this part off, go down to 0. And my X should go up to what? It's about 0.68 is what you had. So my X-axis, which is the resistance, I'm just going to go up to 1. All right, my Y-axis starts at 2 and goes up to 18. So I'm just going to basically re-put in the numbers. 0. And I'm going to come on in here and put this one in. 20. All right, what happened to my stuff? Did I do it? Oh, I went backwards, didn't I? I graphed the wrong ones. Excuse me. This one should go up to 20. All right. So you can see that this line is already popping up pretty simple, right? It's pretty straight. That's 0, 0 right there. So at this point in time, what you're going to do is you need to graph it, you need to find the slope. And the reason why I'm doing this rather than going through any big graphing thing, because at this point, the graph isn't so much important as the data you get from it. Okay? So the next thing we're going to mess with, you're going to go back to that plus again. Okay? And we're going to choose expression.